Now, I've spoken a lot about SCEs. You begin to wonder, where does SCE actually fit in the CSC 767 framework? Again, I'm not going to talk about the first pillar because there are 4 pillars when it comes to the 16 element of CCPS. The process safety leadership I'm going to leave for today. But the SCE itself actually functions in the 3 other pillars when it comes to understand hazard and risk, the risk management area, the review and improvement. When it comes to process, knowledge and documentation, the SCE is one of your PSI, process safety information you have to add on the plant to make sure that you are safe without having a fully updated process safety information, mostly the list of your safety critical equipment or your safety critical functions. You are sure that the day you have an event, you are going to have people that will die. So the next one is the project review and design and procedures. In the designs of project, in the designs of process plant, in the designs of every sort of manufacturing plant, it is important that the people that are involved in the project review and design procedure understand the impact of choosing or designing or maintaining the right SCEs. Then the main area where the SCEs actually featured is the area we call process risk assessment and risk reduction, because the SCEs, majority of them, function in the area of reducing risk. So if you are ever wondering in the CSA 767 which area SCEs function in, SCE function in a lot of area, but most of the area you're going to hear people talk about SCE is under the process risk assessment and risk reduction. And coming to human factor, again, designing the right SCE, and when it comes to the risk management and risk improvement, it is important that when you design an SCE, people have the right competency and training to be able to navigate, to be able to bypass, to be able to operate, to be able to maintain that SCE. And the last one we talk about in the industry, again, which is one of the reasons why the 767 is a very good standard, is the KPI, key performance indicator. If the audit goes right and your key performance indicator does not actually reflect the risk tolerance on your plant, in terms of knowing what is a tier 1, what is a tier 2, what is a tier 3, that becomes a big problem. That's why most of the time you notice that the failure of an SCE 90% of time lead to an unsafe days, which is always either a permanent disabling injury, a fatality, or unwanted event, which is high environmental impact. Do you know what your safety critical elements are? Or do you know what are your safety critical equipment? They properly designed? When last were they tested? Can you show me? Show and tell is one of the reasons why our industry can stay safer than yesterday.